to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Clovia box for the month November. I know I'm super duper late, but yesterday itself I received this box. Yesterday is December 5th, and because of the huge demand on the website I received very late, but nevertheless let's just get started and see what we have inside this box over here. But before that I want to thank each and everyone who have subscribed to my channel, and we have hit 50k, and I'm really thankful to everyone who have subscribed to my channel. But make sure your notification bell is on, because I know there are like many people who are not watching my videos and they are not getting notification because of the bell button. You guys, please take a moment to hit on that bell button so that you will get notification whenever I upload videos and you can watch my videos. And I'm really thankful to each and everyone who have subscribed to my channel and watch my videos regularly and comment on my videos. And coming back to this comment section, guys, I do reply to all the comments which I receive in my community tab, and if you guys think I don't reply to your comments, and few of them have commented telling that I neglect my subscribers, no, never. I have never done that, because I reply to each and every comment. And if you think I'm neglecting, or if you think I'm not replying to your comments, I'm really sorry. I'm not doing that, but still I'm sorry for that. And I have seen myself replying to every comments which I've received from the beginning. So yeah, I reply to comments, you guys. Please comment down below my videos and I will reply to your comments. And yeah, if you're new here, this is Pavithra Iyer. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell beside the subscribe button, because that part is very important, you guys, to get my notifications of my videos. And now after all this ranting, let's just get started into unboxing this Clovia box. So this is how the box looks like. You can see it comes in this pink cardboard packaging which says Clovia on the top, and it also says happy is my superpower, and at the back you can see they say hell yes. So yeah, that is the packaging, and it also comes with the this packaging, which is the parcel packaging. And then once we open, we have everything inside this box. Let me just open one by one. So first thing I have is this backless bra, which looks like this in the packaging. So this is how they have packed this bra. They have kept this inside just to keep the shape of this pad, I believe. So I'm just gonna take this off, and this is how the bra looks like. And it comes with this transparent straps at the back also. So this pad is really soft and it has that medium thickness to it. It's not that very thick, because I don't like that thick pads which make your boobs look more artificial, if you know what I mean. I really don't like such kind of padding bras. So this pad is really nice. It has that medium thickness which is very nice. So I did try this bra and it's very comfortable, because I usually don't use this kind of underneath wire padded bras, but I really felt comfortable wearing this, and I have bought in the size 34B. You need to open this at this side of the bra, and then you can use this. If you want, you can change this strap as well. And if you get this bra in perfect size, it will sit on your boobs very nicely without it coming out like this. Like, if you know what I'm telling, because I know I have been there. If you don't buy the bras in perfect size and with perfect cup size, it will come out like this. It won't look good underneath your clothes and you'll be uncomfortable. So just make sure you get in perfect size and cup size. And this bra retails for $12.99, but you always get it on discount. And then next thing I have is this tummy tucker, which retails for $13.99. But as I said, there is a huge discount going on the website, so do check it out. And this is how the tummy tucker looks like. It's kind of long, like it goes till your thighs, and it is shapewear where you can wear inside your clothes. And this is how it looks. Have not tried this, but I'll try this and let you guys know how it feels. But yeah, I have seen many good reviews about this shapewear, so I can't wait to try this out. It also stretches well and the material is really good. It's very soft and very thick. It's not that thin material, but yeah, the material is really good. I feel it's very good quality. So this is the next thing in the box. And then next thing I have is this strapless bra. So this is the strapless bra. So this is how the strapless bra looks like. This is a detachable straps. Obviously it's a strapless bra, so you can remove this if you want to. And then I feel it's kind of see-through, you guys. I should see how I can work with this, and I feel we can keep pad inside if you're not comfortable. So let me just see how I can work with this. And it also comes with this wire underneath, and the side straps are also very transparent, and it has this thick band which is very like comfortable for me. And yeah, this is how the bra looks like. And it also has that wire kind of thing at the side of the bra as well. And this retails for $9.99. Okay, the next thing I have is this Saree Shapewear, which is in green color. I had ordered in black color, but it was out of stock. Maybe they have replaced it with the green color now. And this retails for $19.99. And this is how the Saree Shapewear looks like. It also has a slit at the bottom. And I must say the material is so good. Like, I can literally feel it's so good quality. When you touch the clothes itself, you can get to know the material, right? So this is that kind of a material which is very good quality. And it also comes with the stretch kind of thing at this part, maybe till your thighs, I believe. It also stretches nicely, and it should be very comfortable. So this kind of saree shapers will help you to like drape your saree very nicely without making your saree look bulky, because all that petticoats will make your saree look very bulky. But this is really nice. I'm very like eager to try this out. So this saree shaper, I got it in XXL size, and this shapewear also I got it in XXL size. Then next and the last thing I have inside this box is this baby doll, which I'm really excited for because I really like this pink color polka dots prints on it. So this is how this packaging comes in. The packaging is all really nice. It comes nicely wrapped. It also comes with this undies, and this is how the baby doll looks like. It's super pretty frock kind of a thing which you can wear and feel comfortable. So this is how it looks. I really like the material also. It's very soft, and it's not that see-through material. Yeah, it's not see-through, you guys. The material is really nice. And this is how the back looks like. You can adjust the strap always and feel comfortable with this kind of dresses. So yeah, I can't wait to try this out again. That was all the products I received inside this Clovia Bridal haul. And if you're bride to be or if you're getting married, you can definitely reach out to this website. You'll get amazing offers on many cool stuffs which you want to try it out. And even if you're not bride, you can definitely try out these stuffs, and you get many other things on the website like nightwears, panties, bras, different kind of bras. And I'll provide direct link in my description box for this website with my coupon code. If you're purchasing anything from Clovia, you can use my coupon code and get 10% off. With that being said, I'll wrap this video. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you all so much for watching.